Okay. Now let us move on to the next question. Now function is defined in n to n, that is natural numbers, and f of x equal to x square. So the domain, it is in natural numbers, and codomain is also in natural numbers. So one-to-one check, let's do. That is, we are again taking the same assumption, x1 and x2 are two different elements and they are mapped to f of x1, which is also f of x2. That is, we are assuming that the given function is a many-to-one function first. So we will get x1 square equal to x2 square plus x1 equal to x2, and there is another way to write this, a more better way, which is x1 square minus x2 square equal to 0, x1 minus x2 and x1 plus x2 equal to 0. So if we equate this to 0, we will get x1 equal to x2 or x1 equal to minus x2. This result is possible and this result is not possible because there is no negative number in n. Okay. So it is 1-to-1 because we got x1 equal to x2. Now let us go for onto check. It is not onto because in codomain I can have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, let us say, and codomain is x square. So here I have 1, 2, 3. For 1 here I have the pre-image 1 here, because for 1 x square equal to 1 square, which is equal to 1. For 2 here, that is x square equal to 2, x is equal to root 2, which is not possible in natural numbers, and hence it is not onto. Let us move on with the next question. Let's say a function is defined in integers, both domain and codomain. Domain, codomain, and this is integer, and this is x, and this is f of x, which is equal to x square. So domain is set of all integers and codomain is also set of all integers. Now doing one-to-one check, we are assuming it is a many-to-one function. So f of x1 equal to f of x2, x1 square equal to x2 square. Now we get x1 equal to x2 or minus x2. Now the problem is both are possible. x1 equal to x2 is also possible, and x1 equal to minus x2 is also possible, because both domain and codomain, they are defined in z, integers. When we say integers, it includes both negative and positive integers, and hence it is not one-to-one. Let us take an example and understand this. If I have x1 equal to 2, I'll have x1 square equal to 4. If I have x1 equal to minus 2, I'll have x1 square equal to 4. So in domain I can have minus 2 and 2, and in codomain I can have 4. So minus 2 can be mapped to 4 and 2 can also be mapped to 4. So that's the reason why we say one-to-one will not be possible here. Whether it is onto, again for the same reasons that we discussed for the previous question, there is no root y. In the sense, domain and codomain, I have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, let's say 2, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 2. So this is x square. If x square equal to 2, I will not have root 2 here, not possible, and hence it is not onto.